Hello everyone. Like I already said in my introduction video that I'm original from Germany, to be more precise, Bavaria, or even be more precise, Franconia, what is a part of Bavaria. However, I go to that in a little bit. When you guys think about Bavaria or Germany in general, you always think about Oktoberfest, what I put on the left middle side. Don't get me wrong, the Oktoberfest is awesome. When I was between like 18 and 22, I was there every year. It's kind of expensive to charge you like $15 for a liter of beer. Well, it's kind of insane, but overall, it's an experience. When you're between September, October in Germany, definitely go there. So, Bavaria is the largest state in Germany. It's a former kingdom. We had a king until somewhere slightly before the First World War. This last king built Neuschwanstein, the castle on the left under corner. You probably know it more like the Disney castle. It's very beautiful. It's not finished from the inside, but the position where the guy took the picture is like a hiking path around it. You can walk through the hills and mountains. You get a really nice overview of Neuschwanstein. I really can recommend that. Well, Bavaria, like I said, in the south you have the mountains with Neuschwanstein, but a lot of hiking trails on the border to Austria in the winter ski. Super interesting. In the south we have Franconia, that's the flag in the middle, and where I'm original from. Franconia was their own kingdom before they lost the war. I mean, that's not really funny, but they lost a war against Napoleon, and as a present for the loyalty of the Bavarians to the French, they gave Franconia to them. Whatever, Franconia is really famous for the wine. Little small bottles of wine, mostly white wine. Okay, in the right corner you see the Plassenburg. I took that. That's my hometown. The I choose the picture because it um, represent the German history and a lot of history. I mean, this castle especially was built 1135 after. I mean, it's really insane. And there's a lot of history what still impacted the culture what we are nowadays. As a last item, I put the concentration camp of Dachau in the middle center, the middle under center, just as a reminder what went wrong in history, the lessons we can learn out of it, and that we have to ensure that something like that will never ever happen again. Thank you.